Hello guys, welcome to another grand interesting video on your Leansimcorp channel, and in this today's video we are going to understand about how the third type of statistics can be read and analyzed using AI tool for Flexsim Simulation. Okay, do not forget to watch this video till end because it is going to be really exciting, because how this tool is going to help you solve your day-to-day problems in simulations. So we have already seen in last two videos that what two different types of statistics which are very difficult to calculate when you go using Flexsim Simulation inbuilt dashboards or statistics collector. By using this tool, you can just do this in a matter of just a click, and you get all the statistics in the Excel. Not only all the statistics, their analysis, total times and all those. You get histograms and multiple graphs been automatically populated to help you do analysis, automatically referring your simulation model. Okay, so now in this today's video, as I mentioned, we will be looking at a great statistics which is very important for validation and purpose by using this tool. Okay, so I'm going to show you one of the diagram and you will definitely love that. Watch it. Okay, and that is the Sankey flow diagram. Okay, so when you look into this Sankey flow diagram, this diagram is the output of this automation tool which you will be using. Not only it gets you an Excel CSV file where all the analysis of your dwell time, movement time, are being tracked into, as we rightly saw in our last videos. This is the third output you will be automatically getting in the single click of your analysis using this tool, a Sankey diagram. Basically, this diagram helps you let you know that from Q1 how many parts went to P1 and from P1 how many parts went to Q2, right? And you can see here incoming flow count, outgoing flow count, parts here in this source and target and stuff like that. It is really going to be exciting. So that is how this tool will be helping you out in order to get your daily problems of simulations tool. So what are the benefits for using this simulation tool? Okay, to summarize, you will be able to find out part by part what was your dwell time onto this processor, onto this queue and onto this Q2, that is stay time. You will be able to calculate the time this part has spent when it was traveling from Q1 to processor 1, the time spent in middle. You're going to get that in analysis. You can not only track a single part, you can track multiple parts together. So that is what we're going to see in the next video about how to use this tool in order to help you make your simulation model validated, get your analysis out from the simulation model directly in real-time mode. And not only that, the Excel CSV is going to have all the analysis pre-created by looking at your data points. And the best part is you also get the Sankey diagram automatically generated by using this tool. So there are many such advantages and applications of this tool which you will be finding fascinating to use it. In the next video, we're going to look at actually how to use this tool, and then you will understand how it is going to work and help you get your analysis done. Stay tuned on Leansimcorp for more such videos on AI, industrial automation, digital twin and simulation, because this is the only world's platform where you are going to get all these things together with the most best quality content and most efforts been taken care of. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Leansimcorp and visit our website leansimcorp.com for more details onto what you are requiring. So that's all for today, guys. Let us meet in the next video where we'll be understanding how to use this tool. Till then, keep watching, and please guys, we are putting a lot of efforts in creating such videos. Do not forget to support us by donations. Do not forget to subscribe us, like us, and throw your comments in the comment section below. Bye bye. Have a great day ahead.